Okay, welcome. The first thing we're going to do is to memorize a pattern. When starting to learn to improvise on the piano, it's very pattern based. So the pattern we're going to learn first is this, and we need to memorize this. C, G, A, F. We'll do it again. C, G, A, F. Now where this comes from is the scale of C major. Now when you're doing a key in a key of C, the important notes are the first note of the scale, the fourth note, the fifth note, and the sixth note. So if you put octaves or chords on these notes, you'll get a nice melody and you can combine them together. So that's why I'm playing them in, but I'm doing it in this order. I'm doing it C, G, A, F, but I'm doing it down here. Okay, so C, going down to G, up to A, down to F. Then once you've got that, we put octaves. So that's pinky on C and thumb on C. And then we work on that. C, G, A, F. And you keep going over that. C, G, A, F. So of course, feel free to pause this video, and I would probably pause it now and just work on that pattern going over again. Okay, so once you've mastered that pattern, the next step is to add this second finger in. So it's a fifth interval higher than the C, and now our pattern will look like this. And then we go to G and do the same thing. 5, 2, 1. Then we go to A and do the same. 5, 2, 1. 5, 2, 1. Okay, and then we would repeat it. 5, 2, 1. 5, 2, 1. Then A. 5, 2, 1. 5, 2, 1. Now, you could probably pause the video and master that now, because you'll need to know that really well before the next step. Okay, so I'm assuming you've got that nailed. Now, the very next step, and the last step for this video, is to do that again, and we're going to sit our thumbs next to each other. So we're introducing our right hand now, and we're only going to use this finger, and this finger. Okay, 1, 2, 4. Right, so what we do this time is we go 5, 2, 1, and then we go 1, 2, 4. Then we move our left hand down to the G, octave G, and then the right also will come next to it so that the thumbs are next to each other, and we do the same pattern. 5, 2, 1, 1, 2, 4. And 2 is good to be a longer note. Okay, let's move to the A. We'll do the same pattern. Again, our thumbs sit next to each other. 5, 2, 1, 1, 2, 4. Notice I'm holding that down, which helps kind of give a sustained sense, and you can put the pedal on as well. And then our final one is the F octave with the finger 2, and of course our thumbs next to each other. 5, 2, 1, 1, 2, 4. Now, that's all we'll do for this first video, because there's quite a few steps there to master, and then maybe another video will take you further. So for now, I'll just go over it again without speaking so you can hear what it sounds like. And then you just repeat. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed watching that video and our first steps of improvising. Thanks for listening.